This is Mohan Rao. Welcome to IIT Mathematics Founders YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting concept from the topic quadratic equations. As you know everyone, a second degree equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. We have different methods to solve a quadratic equation, just like factorization method by using the splitting middle term, and also formula method which is called a quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula is given by the great mathematician Sridharacharya. That's why it is also called as Sridharacharya formula. And one more method is completing square method. Yes, coming to today, my topic is observe these two quadratic equations. How to solve these two quadratic equations, and also one more problem. If the roots of the quadratic equation 101x square plus 10,000 201x plus k is equal to 0 are reciprocals to each other, then find the value of k. Yes, we can solve these two equations by using the methods what we discussed, but I am going to solve these two equations and also here the value of k based on some conditions that I am going to prove now. Yes, see here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the roots x is equal to 1 or c by a. This I am going to prove now. Let me prove this. This is the given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And here what the given condition is, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. This is the given condition. From this you write b value as minus of a plus c. You know everybody, for this quadratic equation the roots x is equal to, we have a formula minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here in the place of b you substitute minus of a plus c, then it will be minus b minus of a plus c, it will be a plus c plus or minus root over b square, nothing but minus of a plus c whole square, we can write as a plus c whole square minus 4ac whole by 2a. This is all equal to x. Now if you observe here, this is in the form of a plus b whole square minus 4ab, which we can write as a minus b whole square. So x is equal to a plus c plus or minus root over this a plus c whole square minus 4ac. I am going to write a minus c whole square by 2a. Now a plus c plus or minus root of a minus c whole square is nothing but a minus c whole by 2a. If you observe here, the roots are with plus or minus, then you take one is with plus, other one is with minus. So x is equal to a plus c plus a minus c by 2a, or a plus c minus of a minus c, that you can write as minus a plus c by 2a. Then plus c minus c gets cancelled. 2a plus a, 2a by 2a, or plus a minus a gets cancelled. C plus c, 2c by 2a. Now 2a gets cancelled, that is 1, or 2 gets cancelled, that will be c by a. So finally you can write x is equal to 1 or c by a. So you all can observe here, in any quadratic equation, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, that means sum of all the coefficients including constant is 0, then the roots x is equal to 1 or c by a. Now the second condition is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. If a minus b plus c is equal to 0, then the roots x is equal to minus 1 or minus c by a. This is also I am going to prove in the same procedure. Now let me prove this. The given quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What the given condition? It is given a minus b plus c equal to 0. From this you can write b is equal to a plus c. Again we have the roots for this quadratic equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here in the place of b you substitute a plus c, then it will be minus of a plus c plus or minus root over b square is nothing but a plus c whole square minus 4ac whole by 2a. This is equal to x. Now x is equal to, this is minus of a plus c plus or minus root of, this is in the form of again a plus b whole square minus 4ab, which is equal to a minus b whole square. So here it will be a minus c whole square by 2a. Then this will be minus of a plus c plus or minus root of a minus c whole square is equal to a minus c whole by 2a. Then here also the roots are with one is plus and another one is with minus. Then you write x is equal to minus of a plus c, that is minus a minus c plus a minus c by 2a. Or the other one is minus of a plus c minus a minus c minus of a minus c minus a plus c by 2a. Here the minus a plus a gets cancelled. This will be minus 2c by 2a, or here minus c plus c gets cancelled, minus a minus a 2a by 2a. Now 2 gets cancelled, 2a gets cancelled. Then it will be minus c by a or minus 1. So we can write x is equal to minus 1 or minus c by a. So here also we can observe, in any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If a minus b plus c is equal to 0, then the roots are x is equal to minus 1 or minus c by a. Coming to the last result, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. If a is equal to c, then the roots are reciprocals to each other. That means in any quadratic equation, if the coefficient of x square and the constant are equal, then we can say the roots are reciprocals to each other. Let me prove this. The given quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And it is given here a is equal to c. We know the roots of quadratic equation x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here in the place of a you write c, then it will be minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac. In the place of a I am going to write c, then it will be 4c into c, 4c square, by here also in the place of a you write c, then it will be 2c. Now here two roots we have, one is with plus, one is with minus. See, one is minus b plus root b square minus 4 square by 2c, and other one is minus b minus root b square minus 4c square by 2c. I can say these two are reciprocals to each other once we check. Multiply these two, minus b plus root of b square minus 4c square by 2c into minus b minus root of b square minus 4c square by 2c. If you multiply these both, these two are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. A square is minus b whole square, minus b square is root of b square minus 4c square whole square. If you multiply the denominators, 2c into 2c, it will be 4c square. Now minus b whole square is b square. Here root of b square minus 4c square whole square is equal to b square minus 4c square. Before the bracket minus is there, if you remove that, it will be minus b square plus 4c square by 4c square. This both gets cancelled, that equals to 4c square by 4c square. Again this both gets cancelled, the result is 1. That means this product is equal to 1. As these two are the roots of this quadratic equation, then you can say the roots are reciprocals to each other when a is equal to c in any quadratic equation. Let us do some examples now based on the results what we discussed. The first one is solve p square minus q square into x square plus q square minus r square into x plus r square minus p square is equal to 0. So I am going to solve this quadratic equation within a short time based on the results what we discussed. If you observe here, this is a, this is b, this is c. You just find out a plus b plus c, then p square minus q square plus q square minus r square plus r square minus p square. All gets cancelled here, the result will be 0. Then a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Obviously we can say here, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, the roots are 1 or c by a. Therefore, for this quadratic equation, the roots are 1 or c by a. C is nothing but r square minus p square by a is nothing but p square minus q square. Now let us take one more example. Solve 2019 x square minus 2020x minus 4039 equal to 0. Here you observe a is equal to 2019 and b is equal to minus 2020, c is equal to minus 4039. If you observe here, a minus b plus c, you find out. A is 2019 minus b minus of 2020 plus c minus 4039. Then it will be 2019 plus 2020 minus 4039. If you add these two, 4039 minus 4039, the result is 0. That means you got a minus b plus c is equal to 0. We have, if a minus b plus c is equal to 0, then the roots are minus 1 or minus c by a. So for this quadratic equation, the roots we can say minus 1 or minus c by a. That is minus of minus 4039 by a is 2019. Nothing but minus 1 or 4039 by 2019. In this way, we can solve this type of equations in a short time. Coming to one more example, that is 101x square plus 10,201x plus k is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation if the roots are reciprocals to each other. Then find k. Yes, see the condition. If the roots are reciprocals to each other, we can write a is equal to c. Then a is 101, c is k. So you can write simply a is equal to c. Therefore 101 is equal to k. Nothing but k is equal to 101. So these type of results are very useful in competitive examinations and some Olympiad examinations also. Thank you viewers. If you like our videos, share, comment and do subscribe. Thank you very much.